Hello friends, we are going to make a beautiful dazzling party bracelet today. You can see it here, golden and black beads. Welcome to my channel, Arty World. Please subscribe for more videos. You can see here how beautiful this bracelet is looking. You can customize your colors. You can make with the colors you want, you choose. Still it's going to look same. Beautiful. Here are the materials. I have written the materials. Here the golden bugle beads are there, black fire polish beads are there, scissors, toggle clasp, golden seed beads. Then this is after that beading thread, and here this is a beading needle. I use big eye needle. Sometimes it's difficult to thread the needle because the hole is very tiny, but this is very easy. This is split in the middle, so there is no problem beading the needle. You can see that. Now let's start. So you can take 2 meters long beading thread, and then starting with that you take 4 seed beads, golden seed beads, and one side of the toggle clasp, and then 4 seed beads again, and then we bring it at the end. See that. And then we go back all of the seed beads and the toggle clasp again to make it double so that it's stronger. You can do one more time to secure it better, so it will give more strength. After passing through it again, you can make a knot to put the thread secured in its place. So you can make the knot again 2-3 times to make it stronger so that it doesn't open. So after knot again I have gone through whole beads and clasp one more time, and then I secured the knot again. It's just to give it extra strength. So because toggle is closer to the seed bead, so it shouldn't break when you are wearing it, because you will be going to open and close again and again. So it will give extra strength. I have given knot another time there. Once this is done, now we can start making. So first I have put one black bead. This is just to start the base, and after that we are going to take one bugle bead, 2 black beads, and then one bugle bead again. So then you will have 4 of the beads on your needle. Taking them, so bring it back to the first bugle bead. Pass through the first bugle bead again, so it will make a loop. So just to give extra strength, you can always pass through the whole thing, all 4 beads one more time, along with the black first bead which I have put there. just to secure it in place. After that, again we are going to do one bugle bead, 2 black beads and 1 bugle bead again. So there will be total 4 beads on your needle. 1 bugle bead, 2 black beads, 1 bugle bead again, and we bring it back to the black beads to make it again another rectangle loop. You can see that. So I am bringing it back from there. Now you can see that it has made a loop. So it's a rectangle loop this time because we have 2 equal size bugle bead and 2 black beads one side, 2 black beads the previous side where we started from. So you can see that it's a rectangle loop now. You can again pass through the whole thing, thread from that all 4 beads again to secure it better. Going back again, going back through bugle bead again. So you can see that. Now same process again. We are going to take 1 bugle bead, 2 black beads and 1 more bugle bead, and we are going to do same thing. Go back to the black beads again, pass through it, bring it back, and another loop is made. Again go through the whole thing one more time, pass the thread through all the beads one more time. Passing through the beads one more time is to secure it better, because the thread will be double in that case. It will give an extra strength. It won't break later. Now we can repeat the process until we require the desired length. So you can keep doing the same. The same thing again and again we are doing it to make it a longer length. So once you arrive at 17 or 18 centimeter length, then you add 2 bugle bead at the end to close the loop, last loop which we say, the same as which we started in the beginning with 1 black bead and 2 bugle beads. So it will be 2 bugle beads and then later we will add 1 black bead to make it a triangular loop in the end. After that black bead, then we are going back to the process of securing that other side of the clasp. It's 4 seed beads plus clasp plus 4 seed beads again. So same way we go through all the seed beads and clasp and seed beads again. We can make it two times to secure the thread better. Can secure the thread by ending that. You can put a knot knot at the end by taking the needle out of the loop to secure and close it. So once you have done that, you can see that almost done. So once you take that needle out of the loop, you can secure it. You can secure it 2 times, pass through few more beads to make it not come out. And after that you can cut the thread. As you can see, your bracelet is ready. For watching, subscribe my channel.